Hi there everyone, we are the Pancakes in our family. Today I'm excited to share 3 delicious pancake recipes. We'll be making flourless pancakes, pumpkin pancakes and spinach blended pancakes. These recipes are perfect for breakfast, lunch, snack or dinner. Anytime is pancake time. So let's dive in and get started.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me